Why Jonah? And why refinery? By facing extensively any kind of industry operated socially, one can testify upon the following reality. A real misunderstanding relevant to competency, and a real misconception concerning the approximation. A dissimilar approach on the same deficiency, and a single strategy, no matter the jeopardy. More often the combination, generating ultimately a deficient trust relation. In other words, in summary, the strength of the community and vulnerability are sharing the recipe. Whenever historically we came across a prophecy, unless we trusted the relation, we came to suffer the prediction. But every inconsistency requires a refinery, utilizing energy to reshape reality. In conclusion, whether you manage a company or you manage privately another shape of destiny, consider the refinery. To study theoretically the interactivity. To map a system synergy, consolidating physically a long-lasting competency. To consult in real time the collective memory with simple technology, supporting the operation with proper administration of the process of prevention.